Bonjour! Para lang kaming nasa Pilipinas. Dahil kay kuyang conductor, Filipino siya. Hello!
Ang cute naman na ng vlogger na to.
Ibig sabihin disposable na cup. Okay na sa tayo. Kunting water lang. Water na ba? Oo. So basically this is 220 pesos. So ito tubig B. It's 120 lang. B60 na kasi tayo ngayon eh. Kaya 60 plus. Ayan, mag-aawi pa kayo. Bilisan nyo na at pupunta na tayo dun. Sana tayo. Ito na. So, kayo muna kayo. Vent. Jane, saan ito lalagay, Jane? Sige na.
Hungry?
Dude, do you remember the Tagalog words that I taught you?
No.
What is it?
What is it?
You know it. You scream it here.
Tell again.
It starts with letter P.
Letter P?
Yeah.
I don't know, please tell again.
Poo.
Poo.
Tongue.
Putanina to everybody! Let's go,
Crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a cool word.
Oh. Thanks,
Philippine. Chocolat shop. No. Listen again, Jane. Chocolat. Not chocolat shop.
Chocolat.
Chocolat shop is Philippine.
The right pronunciation. Chocolat.
Chocolat. Chocolat show.
Chocolat shaw.
No, show.
Shaw.
Your mouth like this. Oh.
Chocolat
I'm not
shaw.
Yes, that's good.
That's good. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, guys. So we're getting ready. Jane. Sorry. I'm trying to eat this tulog kasi kanina. So ayan, we're getting ready. Tapos na sa alam na mag-plancha ng hair. Maglalagay na ako ng konting cream. Ang gamit ko to. Bigay din ulit. This is sponsor. Baby. Okay, I'm gonna wear white and skirt. Black skirt. And then boots. Ikaw, what's your outfit today? Secret. Oh my god, abangan you guys. Hindi naman ako sila. Bongga, you know. Buti na lang pinaharap ko pati ng hair straightener. Oo, thank you. Tati, thank you. Sino si Tati? Tagi na yung boss niya. Yung boss ko. Thank you, Tati, for the hair straightener. Ay, siya niya. Gago ka talaga. Anong oras tayo nakarating dito? Almost mag-12 na, no?
Hindi, ano lang naman?
11:14. 11. Yeah. We're so early today. What time is it, baby?
It's 8:30.
8:30 a.m. Hinahabol talaga namin yung init. We're here at Clever. Ganda. Ang ganda ng Paris. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng weather today. Sobrang aga talaga namin.
So, behind the scene, no? Ito yung mga truck and ano ba to? Oh my God! Wala na? Nagaw na.
Tinanggal mo na yung ano? Tanggalin. Tinatanggal ba to? Tinatanggal. Oh. Tanggalin mo. Tinanggal na. Wait, where is the... Can you remove this, please?
Sorry,
Can you remove that? Thank you.
but you take it this one.
Yeah, 2
Okay.
for 16. For natawad tayo, guys.
Vendez le Figaro Magazine.
Oui, ils sont là.
Ah d'accord, ça marche. Merci.
Alright, let's try. Paano ba yung
Ils sont avec les magazines à l'intérieur. Non, ça c'est sans magazine.
Ganito ba? Is this how you wear?
Ils sont à l'intérieur les magazines. Ouais.
Je pas avec les moi.
Diba? Tama ba, be?
Pour un ticket avec vos prix.
Thank you so much.
Mais espèce c'est ça.
Espèce, monsieur, oui.
Cute. Dalawa for ano, 16 euros. Laban na. Nakatawad tayo ng ano, 2 euros. Ang pogi. Ang pogi na nasa likod ko. Guys, ang pogi. Pogi. Charing na. Okay, pasok na tayo. So firstly, we have pancakes Nutella. What? Yeah. So Nutella and fruit spray and the cake. And then salty, we have avocado toast and then crispy cheddar and too fast, I'm sorry. Avocado toast, cheddar, roll up crispy, and then this one, egg, salt, and bacon. Hot drinks, we have chocolate salt, and matcha latte. So we're gonna eat here at Gaston.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Ako paborito yung chocolate mo. Pancake Nutella? Yeah, that's mine. Kulit crispy.
Oh wow. That's a lot. Worth it.
Girls, huwag ka mahiya. Pili lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo. National? Ano kayo Bicolana? Ano kayo sandals?
Louis Vuitton.
Huwag ka mahiya. Sige na.
Hanggang tingin-tingin lang tayo, be. Window shopping.
Pili na.
Magpili. Oh, sige.
Sandal?
Grabe yung mga brands
Sige na,
dito.
sagot ko na. Huwag ka mahiya.
Yaman mo sa part na yan, be.
Pagod daw.
Hingal ka.
Pagod daw mga people.
Oh, mag-change outfit na para sa next destination. Hanap tayo ng CR. Anggal ng katawan.
Ganda natin.
Nanguulan na din.
Ayun lang tao. 1, 2, 3.
So you can go one by one if you want.
C'est comment tu fais les bagages? Va-t'en, attends.
So this is our second day, last day here in Paris. And now we're going to see Eiffel Tower. Ang layo-layo namin nung last time. So ngayon gusto namin makita ng bongga yung Eiffel Tower. So pababa kami. Ayan. So dyan kami galing sa taas. And ayan yung Eiffel Tower. Ayan. Napapahubang view.
You married me.
Hi!
You married me.
Married you? I'm not ready yet. Oh, say hi.
Bye.
Okay. So it's our last day here. So susulitin namin yung remaining time na meron kami. Yun. Punta lang kami sa mga streets. Malapit dito sa Eiffel Tower. So dyan kami guys galing sa taas.
Under construction siya. And ayan yung baba. Diyan naman kami galing kagabi. Diyan kami nag-picture-picture. So yan yung Eiffel Tower.